So our question is about this letter. Letter come here. Yeah, letter is here. Ana. By written it will be ana, and by reading
Ana.
ana. Like we will remove last alif, right? Last alif we will remove. We will read just ana. قال أنا أحيي وأميت. Say.
قال أنا أحيي وأميت.
Good job. And on page 152, there, look it please. What is this?
وأنا أول
Ana.
الم...
Is it?
وأنا
Make more shout.
وأنا
Yeah. وأنا أول المؤمنين.
وأنا أول مؤمنين.
Good job. And look it please. In this surah. Oh, which surah
Give
is
me a
this? Just 1 second. Oh, okay. ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم. So this one is also Ana. And in Surah Mulk, page number is 511. Look it please. وإنما أنا نذير مبين. So by reading Ana, by written Ana. Okay, don't forget it. Thank you.